Hi, I'm Jenny with Teach Me GIS. I want to talk to you for a minute about making better maps. What is it that makes a map effective? What is it that makes a map aesthetically pleasing? Sometimes what makes a map both effective and aesthetically pleasing is a set of small details which, when considered individually, may seem insignificant, but actually make a huge difference in the final presentation. Look at some of the little details in this map. This map tells the story of a Corvette museum in Kentucky that had the unfortunate experience of having a sinkhole open up right under its showroom floor, swallowing up 8 historic Corvettes. I'm happy to say they've had a lot of success in recovering these Corvettes and restoring them. I hope you can check them out sometime. It's the National Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky. But let's take a look at the map. And let's look at some of the little details that help make this a good map and help tell the story of the Corvette Museum a little bit better. So first of all, if you want to make a good map, one of the things is not to neglect the background. We've spent a little bit of time on the background here. For start is the state names. So one small thing is being able to read the state names in the background, but having them faded out just enough so that they're not overwhelming on the map. So picking the right font size, color, the intensity of the color, and the stature. I've made these state names all uppercase. It makes us immediately recognize, oh, those are the state names. How did I do this? Well, I took my state names and converted them to annotation so I could control all the display properties. You notice by making them annotation, I was also able to move those state names around so that you can actually read the entire state name. They didn't get chopped off at the side of the map the way they might if I had left them as labels. Another thing I've done on this map is to really emphasize the fact that this is a map about Kentucky and that Kentucky is the centerpiece of this map. How did I do that? I did that by adding the base map into my project twice. One of the base maps I faded out. That's the background that you see in all the other states. The second base map I clipped to the extent of Kentucky by setting one of the data frames properties. So I added the base map twice, clipped one of them to Kentucky, set the other one to have a bit of a transparency. So again, it really emphasizes that this is a story about something going on in Kentucky. Another little thing we've done here is to add a location map with the logo of the Corvette Museum, showing exactly where the Corvette Museum is in the county. And up here on the main map, we've added an extent rectangle to show where the location map is focused on. And finally, we've been very selective about the colors that we choose to use on the map. We've chosen shades of red and yellow that kind of coordinate with the colors on the inside of the Corvette Museum. This top photograph is from the video security camera inside the museum, and you can see the museum has red and yellow paint inside and some red cars. And by choosing shades of red and yellow that are very similar for the map, it helps draw the audience's eyes from the map to the photos and back to the map again. So just being selective about the colors that we choose really make the map more effective. So these are some of the small enhancements that you can make to your layout in ArcMap that really have a big effect on the overall presentation of your project. You want to learn more about making your maps look better? Join us for an upcoming Making Better Maps class. It's 2 days long and it's packed full of information about how to take a regular, simple map in ArcMap and really make it impressive. Check out our schedule at www.teachmegis.com. Hope to see you in class soon.